Hi there and welcome to Magic. This is my second video today about Magic. Feel free to watch the previous one about instructions how to get started. Log in, root. Now I've added one additional thing to it since its previous release, which is this SQL thing here. So create schema CRM. Okay, evaluate my SQL evaluated goodie. Use CRM. Then I found some random database schema for MySQL, apparently creating CRM. I'm going to link to it in the description of this YouTube video. You can see the thing here. This schema was originally created for PHP thing, but it doesn't matter. Evaluate. So now I can do select all from to do. Let's try it out. CRM table to do doesn't exist. Okay, let's figure out what the name of the table actually is. Okay, let's do contact. And here you can see, whoops, there are some alignment issues. I guess my HTML isn't optimal for displaying more than a handful of columns. But the point is that at this point I can use my newly created CRM database and I can go through every one of my tables and I can create CRUD endpoints for every single table. I'm just going to choose the default authorization thing here. And when I'm done, then I've basically created HTTP CRUD REST endpoints for every single table in my database, and you can have a look at them here, and we can actually immediately even start putting things into them if we want to. Okay, so let's filter by get to do description. Okay, let's see if it has something in this table. It did, I guess. To do type. It even had task and meeting status. Yoo-hoo, pending, completed, etc. And I can now immediately start creating, for instance, my Angular service and front-end code consuming this web API. Basically, the entire database has been exposed over HTTP REST endpoints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tables. Not sure about how many seconds I spent, but here are all of my endpoints. Basically 36 HTTP REST endpoints for every possible imaginable task. And of course, as I demonstrate in the previous video, I can override authorization here, etc. Recodify. So anyway, I've created a new release, version 4.1, I guess, where this part now exists. Basically a micro SQL management studio. Have a nice day.